Greetings to all. I am Dr. Anita Ganga. I am an ophthalmology consultant at Sir Gangaram Hospital. Today's video is about eye donation fortnight, which is being observed every year from 25th August to 8th September. So this tradition is going on since many years. Like it has started in 1985. Since then, every year we do this fortnight to increase the awareness for eye donation. So as we all know that blindness is a major problem in developing countries, especially like our country, and the corneal blindness contributes majorly to it. It is the most common cause of treatable blindness. So we have to deal with the corneal blindness. So now why the eye donation is important? Because in eye donation, we do the corneal transplant where the damaged and diseased cornea of a patient is transplanted with a healthy, clear cornea from a donor person. There are 68 lakh people blind in India because of corneal blindness, and we need at least 2 lakh corneal donations and corneal transplantation to do to remove that corneal blindness burden. But unfortunately, we are doing only 25 to 35,000 of corneal transplant a year. So there is a big disproportionate between the demand and the supply of cornea. So we all have to put efforts to increase this corneal donation by creating awareness among the people, among the medical professionals who are very closely related to the people where there is any casualty or in the ICU. So we have to increase the awareness. So there are various myths and disbeliefs about the eye donations. So I would like to discuss few important points about that. First important point is there is a great myth that the face would be disfigured after the eye donation, but this is not true, because nowadays we take only cornea, the clear part of the eye, along with the scleral rim, and after removing that there is not any deficiency in the globe. So with the closed lid the look would be exactly same, so there would be no disfigurement related to that. Second thing, sometimes family thinks that there would be a delay in the cremation process, but I would like to say that the eye donation process is very simple and it is very fast. So whenever there is any death in the family should urgently contact 1919 to any nearby eye bank, so that the eye bank personnel can come and then they will do the whole procedure, which will take very less time. So this myth is also wrong. So next I would tell you who can donate the eyes. So any person of any age, any gender and any religion, all can donate the eyes. There are very few contraindications. So sometimes people think that I have a diabetes, I have a hypertension, can I donate the eyes? So people with all the comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, hypothyroidism, any drug or anemia related drug, any systemic disease, patient can donate the eyes. And from ocular point of view, any person who is having glasses, who has underwent cataract surgery, any retina surgery and underwent LASIK surgery to remove the glasses, anyone can donate the eyes unless there is a cornea is not clear, there is any corneal pathology. Only one contraindication from eye point of view, if cornea is not clear, that would not be good to transplant, so that we cannot take. Otherwise any person can donate the eyes. Now coming to the systemic contraindications, which are very few, like patient who is having HIV, who is having hepatitis B and C, patient has rabies, and then patients who have leukemias and other malignancies, and if patient died of septic shock. So these eyes cannot be taken and cannot be transplanted later on. So these are the few contraindications. Otherwise rest of all the people can donate the eyes. So now coming to pledging. So what is pledging? Pledging is when person in their lifetime they give the consent to donate their eyes after the death. So I would like to make a kind request to everyone here to pledge their eyes, so that after their death it can be transplanted to any other person who would be a blind person, and it can give sight to that person. So please everyone, I humbly request, please pledge your eyes and donate your eyes to enlighten someone's life and make your eyes alive after your death. Thank you.